The surgeon's knot, how to tie it and how to apply it. The surgeon's knot is very easy to tie and is considered a loop knot. Just double your line over like that and make a regular double overhand knot. Once like this, and then throw it again. Pull it tight. Always wet your line when cinching your knot and cutting your tag, leaving about 1/4 inch of tag line. That's the surgeon's loop knot. Now let's look at some of the applications. In this video, we will learn how to apply the surgeon's knot to a jig lure, a fishing hook, and a fishing weight. For the fishing hook, you basically get the surgeon's knot and pinch the doubled over line and place it through the eye of the hook. Pull it out and over the hook like that and pull it up. Now this also can be easily removed in case you want to change the size of your hook. Now this also can be used with a fishing weight, or better known as a sinker. Just take your doubled over line of your knot, place it through the eye of the sinker, pull it out and over the weight, and pull up. Likewise, this also can be removed easily if you want to change the weight that's on the end of your line. Also, this comes in handy if you fish with a fish net. A lot of times when you use a net, a fish will start twisting in the net and this will get tangled. So as this line is tangled in a net, you just remove this weight or hook, and then this fishing line will slip right out of the fishing net. And last but not least, we're going to apply this knot to this jig lure. Just push it through the eye of the hook, pull it out and over the hook, and then just pull that up. A lot of guys like to switch out their jigs or their lures. Maybe one of their lures ain't getting any bites, so they just pull out a different lure and it's easy to change.